Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to pay for Apple Music with Cash App. So if you want to use Cash App on Apple Music, unfortunately there is no straight method to do that, but we have a workaround that I will show you in this video. So what you're going to do is firstly open up your Cash App, and then you're going to use your cash card and add it to your Apple Pay first. So we're going to first add our cash card to our Apple Pay and then proceed from there. So to get your to get your cash card, so simply, if you already have a cash card, that's fine, or else just get a free cash card here. Just follow these prompts and get a cash card, and then you'll get the once at the end of the once you've got it, and you will see an option to add it to your or Apple Pay if you're using your iPhone. So just hit on it and then add it to your Apple Pay. So once you have this cash card on your Apple Pay, so next what we're going to do is simply go to our Apple ID and then set it as our payment method. So I'm going to show that now. Alright, so now that you've already added your cash card to your Apple Pay, so what we're going to do now, simply go to our settings, open up your settings, hit on your account here, and then go to payment and shipping. So we're going to set our Apple Pay as the payment method. So simply click on the payment and shipping option here, and then now hit on add payment method and simply select Apple Pay as the payment method. So just keep in mind that you will be only see this option if your region supports Apple Pay as a payment method, if Apple allows it. So unfortunately in my region I don't have that option, so I don't have it. But if your region supports, then you will see Apple Pay there. So simply select that, and then that's it, done with it. And now all you have to do is simply go to your Apple Music, and then you can do your subscription like how you normally do in-app purchases. So simply pay that, and then money will be deducted from your Apple Pay, so which is connected to your cash card. So that's how you can use cash card for Apple Music, as there is no direct ways of doing it. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.